Alright, now we're going to shoot for the sound of the Western Maryland freight locomotives that had the dual M5s. In red, we have our parts built M5, 5/16 orifice, and in black, we have our ex Western Maryland M5, 3/16 orifice. Both together. I think that's the combination so far that I've done that used up the most air the fastest, the two end horns together. I think I'm going to see if I can borrow my buddy's tow behind jackhammer compressor. I'll have enough air then. Alright, hope you like it. Happy day.